Hi guys, this is Bilal from AV Academy. In this quick video, we, we will solve some sort of word problem in algebraic expression. Now it says sum of the algebraic terms is this. If one of the term is this, find the other. Okay. Let me explain this example with the help of this question with the help of a simple example, much simpler example than this complex question. Okay, if you have been given that x plus 5 is equals to 10 and you have to find the value of x, what would you do? You would simply subtract 5 from 10 and you will get the answer of or the value of x. This same phenomena is applying over here. We have been given with the answer and we have been provided with one expression. All we have to do is to find the other expression. Okay. Now applying this technique to this question, our question is full of x and y, so we cannot suppose anything x or y. We will suppose z. It says sums. It means z plus this value. This is the other value, one of the value. 4x minus 3x cube is equal to 4x4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square minus a. What I have done in this example, I have just took this plus 5 and moved it to the other side of the equation and changed the sign. This is mandatory. If you move one thing to the other side of the equation, you have to change that sign. If it is plus, you will change it into minus. If it is multiply, you will change it into divide and vice versa. Okay? Now, in order to keep this z alone, I am starting to move these elements one by one. First, plus 4x will be jumped from here to here, and in result the sign will be changed. Minus 3x cube will be moved from here, and in result the sign will also be changed. Now the next step is simple, as we have done it in the previous video. If you haven't seen that video, the link is in the description. You can check it, how to add or subtract to algebraic expression. We will first arrange these terms. 4x4, there is no other 4x4. 3x cube, there is one 3x cube. We will write down the like terms together. Okay, 2x square, 4x a. Okay, I have written 4x before a because we arranged the term in order of decreasing power, okay, or descending order. You will see 4, 3, 3, 2, 1 and then a. In here it was written a non-x value was written before an x value. Okay, you cannot afford that. Okay, now plus 3x minus 3x will be cancelled out. Our answer will be so. That's all. I hope you have understood this problem. If any problem persists, you can mention it in the comment section down below. Thank you.